Hello guys, our Gyan portal again back with the series pattern, and guys, this is our question of about pattern, and it's a butterfly question, and it's a very good question, and have a keep your mind open with pens and pencils, and copy also guys, because you have to do some written work also ki how you make your logic. So keep a pen and paper with you. I hope there is a certain things we have to learn. Till now it's to looking about the symmetry of the pattern, but in this question, as you see, there is a in no symmetry. Like here it goes as it is to the down, there is no symmetry. Here is a line, and above is different, above is this is different, this is different, this is different. And if you want to make it complex, you can make it complex, but I give you a simpler version ki how you can make this with a simple thinking and simple logic building. So let's do it. Basically, first of all, you have to do nothing, you have to understand we have to print a star, then spaces, and then star again. And for star it's 1, then for star it's 1, and for here if I talk about spaces, then 1 2, then it's around, if I say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so it's 10 here, and I say 1 here. There is 2, it's lesser than 2, so it's 8, and then 2, then 3, then 6, then 3, then 4, then 4, then 4, then 5, then it's about 2, then 5, then it's around 6, then it's 0, and it's around 6, and then again 5, then it's 2, and then it's 5, then 4, then 4, then 4, then it's 3. So it's like similar. In this way it get increases and decreases. We have performing both things. So let's do it. How we do it? Let's make approach with written like it's a 18th pattern question. We have make a void pattern 18 int n, and we can say we can take basically what we can take the stars, and star equals to, first of all we have to understand ki how our loop is going basically from 0, but if we considered as a 1, it's a best choice to do this question, because you can understand it clearly in that way. So first of all we have to consider ki how many times it can run, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5 11, it's 11 time it's running. So if this code is running for 11th time, then, and if I say there is a 2 into the n, and n is 6, so basically it's around this way it's going to run. Yes, definitely. अब हमें ये सोचना है कि भाई हमारा इतने पे तो चलना है. अब हमने क्या करा, हमने सबसे पहले स्टार्स को कंसिडर कर लिया कि हमारे स्टार्स कितने हैं. हमारे स्टार्स हमारे आई के जितने होंगे, ठीक है. और स्टार्स हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक पॉइंट ऐसा आना है कि जब हमारा स्टार आई ग्रेटर देन एन हो जाए, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें स्टार्स को अपडेट कर देना है, स्टार को अपडेट कर देना है। और स्टार को अपडेट करके हम क्या करेंगे, स्टार को अपडेट करके हम उसे कर देंगे 2 × n - i। like if I say we have a 2 × n, it's 6, and for 6, and if I say our I is 7, तो 6 - I is 7 is तो our star is, तो हमें कितने स्टार प्रिंट करना है, हमें 5 स्टार प्रिंट करना है। लाइक दिस वे इट्स वर्किंग। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट our star, so we have taken j and j equals to star and j plus plus c out, and we can write our star here, and it's going to 2 times. Okay, so this is our this is for star. Now it's time for spaces, and for spaces what can I do, I say we have taken it as a space as 1, and vj equals to spaces, and we make our j as for spaces and j plus plus, and we just write basic here like this. But it's time to about spaces. First of all we have to understand कि in first case how many spaces we have, 2 × n-2। तो हमारे स्पेसेस कितने हो रहे हैं, हमारे स्पेसेस अगर जैसे हमारा कोड चल रहा है 12 टाइम्स, तो 12 में से हमारा 12 एक तो स्टार प्रिंट हो रहे हैं, तो हमारे जो है 10 टाइम्स ही हम स्पेसेस को प्रिंट कर रहे हैं। तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम एक स्पेसेस का वेरिएबल बना लेते हैं, और हमने कह दिया भाई स्पेसेस हमारे हो रहे हैं 2 × n-1। ओके, तो 2 × n-1 सबसे पहले तो हमें इतने तो करना है, स्टार्स हमें प्रिंट करना है, लेकिन हमें एक और कंडीशन लगानी है कि इफ़ अगर हमारा n लेसर देन होगा तो क्या करेंगे, हम स्पेसिस को हर बार क्या कर रहे हैं, हर बार कम कर रहे हैं। तो स्पेसिस माइनस इक्वल्स टू 2, एल्स स्पेसिस प्लस इक्वल्स टू 2, and just see out and n. So guys, we have to check it with 5, and if I see our correct output is printed, yes, one more example, 1 2 3 4 5, and there is 6, and as you see our code is run.